hormone is glucagon hormone. As you know, all the hormones are secreted by the pancreas gland are polypeptide in nature. That is, glucagon hormone also in polypeptide nature. Polypeptide. This hormone is secreted by the alpha cell of the islet of the Langerhans. Secreted by alpha cell of islets of Langerhans. Because of its function, glucagon hormone, also known as hyperglycemic and diabetogenic hormone, also known as hyperglycemic and diabetogenic hormone. Why we say hyperglycemic and diabetogenic hormone? Because glucagon hormone convert the glycogen into glucose, and this process is regulated by the glucagon hormone. Resulting glucose level is increased in the blood. Glucose level increase in blood. So this hormone also known as the hyperglycemic hormone. And as you know, in diabetes glucose level increase. So it is also known as the diabetogenic hormone. Now we discuss about the target where the glucagon hormone act is liver and adipose tissue. This is the target tissue where glucagon hormone act. Now we discuss about the function of the glucagon hormone. First function is glucagon hormone promote the breakdown of the glycogen into the glucose. As you know, glycogen is breakdown into the glucose, and this process is regulated by the glucagon hormone. And this process is known as the glycogenolysis. Promotes breakdown of glycogen into glucose, and this process are known as the glycogenolysis. Lysis means breakdown, and this is the glycogen. Second function is glucagon hormone increase the gluconeogenesis process, and as you know, gluconeogenesis means formation of the glucose from the non-carbohydrate sources. It increase gluconeogenesis. Genesis means formation, gluco means glucose, and neo means non. That is formation of glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, and resulting glucose level increase in the blood. So it is known as the hyperglycemic hormone. And as you know, insulin and the glucagon hormone are antagonistic in function. Antagonistic. Why we say antagonistic? Because insulin convert the glucose into the glycogen, and glucagon break down the glycogen into the glucose. That is, insulin and the glucose act in the same process but in the opposite direction. Insulin and glucagon hormone are antagonistic. And why we say antagonistic? Because insulin convert the glucose into glycogen. And this process is regulated by the insulin. And glycogen break down into the glucose by the glucagon hormone. So, insulin and the glucagon hormone both act in the same process but in the opposite direction. And these processes are known as the antagonistic. Okay. Now we talk about the last hormone of the pancreas is the somatostatin hormone. Third hormone is somatostatin. We write also as S. Somatostatin hormone also in the polypeptide nature. Chemical nature is polypeptide. And this hormone is secreted by the delta cell of the islets of the Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. Somatostatin in function, it is inhibitory hormone because it inhibits the secretion of the insulin and the glucagon hormone. So it is also known as the inhibitory hormone. It inhibits the secretion of insulin. Insulin is secreted by the beta cell of the islet of the Langerhans and glucagon hormone. And this is secreted by the alpha cell of the islets of the Langerhans. So, somatostatin also acts as the inhibitory. And target tissue where the somatostatin hormone acts is pancreas and the intestine. Target tissue, pancreas and intestine. This is about the hormones of the pancreas gland. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.